Hi guys, welcome to Java Hello Cafe. Hi guys, our quest for organic coffee has brought us to Java Hello Cafe, which is in Bandung on a mountain called Halu. And this estate here has everything all the way from plantations to processing and then packaging. Let me take you through and introduce you to the owner of this place. Come on. Keep coming.
Mana Bi? Ini ya. This is the Arabica coffee tree. We cut the main tree after harvesting. This tall is same with our tall because to make easy to harvest, and then we must make sure there is no coffee cherry left after harvest season. And then this coffee like this is a lot of coffee cherry here because it depend how we treat the coffee trees. If we harvest this coffee, you cannot pick the coffee with the stem because from the stem become a flower. After the flower, the coffee blossom flower is dry, that become a small coffee like this, the small coffee cherries. If you pick the coffee with the stem, the next harvest there is no coffee cherry anymore. You must wait until 3 years to recover the stem first, after that flowering, after that coffee cherry. So it's important to educate your farmers how to selective picking with selective uh, harvest, not with stem, because the coffee is not grape. The coffee is not for wine. We need the stem for the next harvesting. You can taste the coffee cherry. This is very sweet. Yeah.
What do we just bite it?
Yeah, you can bite. You can swallow uh, the seed. Yeah, the meat or the mucilage. Yeah, it's very sweet. You know, this coffee tree is we use biochar fertilizing. One tree become 5 kg. Usually in the usual coffee plantation, one tree only 90 100 gram or 1 kg. So if you treatment your coffee with the correct amount, with the correct schedule of fertilizing with organic, this coffee become like this. Yeah, your production coffee in the plantation will be increased 5 to 10 times, depend the usually treatment.
So, um, I believe you that you are doing an organic farming. Yeah. So, but when you want to take it to the outside world, they usually will ask you, okay, who is certifying that you're organic?
Many buyers, like maybe 90% of buyers, ask me about that, about the question, the certified of organic. We don't have the certified of organic, but we explain to the buyer what we're doing step by step, and then what our culture that I already tell to you about our neighborhood who plant the vegetable. But we guarantee that our coffee is using 100% organic fertilizer, and then we try to make a massive production of our organic fertilizing, is a coffee biochar fertilizing, to make sure our buyer is more have a,
Informed.
yeah, about our system in our plantation.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, let's tour our washing station.
Sure.
How we process the coffee after we pick the coffee cherry.
Okay. One question.
Yeah.
Do you have snakes here?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. And under this is saplings.
This is coffee. Just plant the coffee,
Okay.
and then in another hole we will plant another coffee variety.
Hmm.
We will plant 2 variety in one places here. We have one Sudan Rume here. This is Juria. This is Rui Rui. This is Tipika. And this is our fermentation area.
So do you do aerobic or anaerobic?
Anaerobic.
Anaerobic.
All my process is anaerobic
Okay.
because I would like to increase the lactic acid bacteria, and then I would
Ah,
like to uniform our every batch.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have a lot of team, and my team have like a control. We control the fermentation with pH level, with the temperature gun, and then with the smell. Not only time, with the temperature, and we stop for the fermentation in 3 to 0.9 pH level.
Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
this is our coffee waste, and then we process become a biochar like this.
Oh,
This is our biochar with this mess. If you put this biochar on the bag, like 100 gram or 200 gram, and then put in your car, so they can absorb all the CO2 in your car.
Wow.
Yeah,
Absorb what?
CO2.
CO2.
Really? Like an
Active carbon.
carbon.
Yes.
Oh,
If
carbon
you
active.
put in the long bag and then put into your stinky shoes, it become absorb your
Stinkness.
stinkness, and then the like a moisture of high moisture in the shoes.
And can I use this for refreshing the air quality of my house?
Yes.
Interesting.
For
With-
the water also.
Yeah, from water also.
So you-
With another mess
Okay.
size,
Uh-huh.
it can be used for water treatment.
Water treatment.
Yeah, because
Mm.
this is carbon active. If you
Mm.
if we process all this the administration, we can make carbon credit.
Aha.
That's the next step.
Carbon credit.
Yeah, this
Fantastic.
is our wet mill area. If we have small batch of cherry, we pulp in this machine. If we have a huge batch, so we pulp in this machine. This machine can pulp 1 ton. It's 1 hour, and then can separate the small cherry in this, and then all the coffee skin become there, and we collect every afternoon after we finish the work of the pulping, and then the water come to here. This is our uh, coffee nursery
Okay.
with our biochar.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
So
you can see the
how
growth.
many? How old are these
Egg,
plants?
11 months.
11 months.
11 months.
So if I may ask you, how much time does it take from seeding
Mhm.
the coffee bean till it becomes a tree?
Seeding for the sprout is 2 months,
Okay.
and then after sprout we separate to this poly bag.
Okay.
It need 9 months to 1 year,
Okay.
but almost 9 months. 9 months with 2 months is 11. It's perfect time to plant is in this month, November or December. After that, we wait 2 years. In these 2 years, they start to fruit, and then we start harvesting. But the panen yang primanya tuh
First harvest.
first harvest in 3 years.
Primary harvest.
Yeah, primary harvest in when this tree age is 5
5 years.
Yeah.
So the time to commercialization from seeding is
Three-
5
three.
years.
3 years we can
you
commercialize.
can
Yeah, yeah.
commercialize.
But increase the quantity of harvesting. 4, 5, and then the 5 is the best season.
Hmm.
Until they age 12 years. After 12, they decrease
In their productivity.
productivity. We start replantation again.
So I would say basically the real productivity of a tree is just 5 to 6 years.
Maybe 9. If you use good fertilizing,
Okay.
they can good performance 9 to 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Takes an effort to give you your cup of coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, this is wet mill, and then we float the coffee cherry in this vessel. After we float, we separate the floaters, and then we sort again the coffee cherry in this table to separate the underripe and overripe. Because we would like start the fermentation with the same temperature, same ripeness, same everything, so we can control all the process.
So how do you manage maintaining the temperature?
Yeah, we manage first the cherry, and then the time we can make apa ya, kesepakatan dengan tim.
Agreement.
Yeah, agreement with our team. In what time they start for fermentation, because fermentation start not too hot temperature, must be in the cold temperature. And then we have 3 time of harvest schedule. First in the duhur, second after asar, and then the third after maghrib. So how we make all the same temperature the coffee, we make cooling down. We must cooling down the coffee with the cold water.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the first step. You must cooling down. After that, we can start the fermentation. And then, I would like to increase all the good microbes. First, you must control the environment. There is no waste here. There is no sting here, because I would like to keep the good microbe here. And then the second, we would like to increase the good microbe on the tank, right?
Yeah.
Don't wash tank with the soap. And then use natural food for your microbes. We use sap. You know sap? 3 sap.
Okay.
Good. Am I correct? SAP.
SAP.
Yeah, SAP. Like we have a brown sugar tree. There is a SAP from that tree.
Okay.
That's tree.
It's like a bacterial origin from the tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
This is the food for my microbe. You can smell.
So it's like a white thing that comes out of the tree. Okay.
You
Like
can-
rubber.
Yeah, like rubber, but
Okay.
it's naturally sweet.
Naturally
You
sweet.
can smell.
Ooh.
Smell good.
Rubbery and
Mau dicoba?
fermented.
Ya, coba Mas.
Yeah, it's exactly like that smell.
Yeah.
And
The
this is good food
This
for
is
them.
good food from microbes.
Okay.
Like in the lactic acid bacteria, it will start when the oxygen is already come out, and then after that the fermentation is start to double the quantity of the amount of the microbes. We spray this to the coffee cherry surface.
Okay. Fantastic. And any reason you are trying to target the lactic acid?
First, I would like to make each batch is uniform.
Okay.
Second, I would like to increase the creamy, velvety, fruity,
Okay.
not fruity like citric, but I would like to increase the
Make the round, the
Yeah.
round taste.
yeah, the
You mean
round
the
taste.
balancing of the
Yes,
coffee. Okay. So that it is pleasant to the
pleasant. Yeah,
tongue.
Yeah.
Okay.
and then to control the over fermenting, because if we make aerobic fermentation, we can control what kind of microbe that sabotage the process.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the uniformity is hard to to reach.
With
Yeah,
Arabic.
because our buyer want to one container 330 bag is uniform of taste. Yeah, we control in three stages. First, in fermentation stage. Second, in drying stage. Third, in storing stage.
Storing.
Because the resting is the important thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are those lemon trees next to the coffee?
Yes, lemon trees.
So you're trying to add lime acidity to this?
No, there is a mythos. If your coffee trees side by side with lemon, so the coffee taste become a lemony. No, it's not like that. But the lemon is only for our consume.
Okay.
Because all all the
For-
vegetable that we eat must plant here, so we don't need to
So
buy
that's for the
anything.
Soto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's visit our drying.
Okay.
You know, this is our trick. Because we are women, we don't need to push.
The back, yeah.
Yeah,
So you just
push
slip
here.
it down. And if you don't want to walk the steps, we can slide down?
Yeah,
Okay.
just be careful your
No,
bolong
you
celananya in here. When harvest season, we put the plastic in the top. So when it's rain, we cover with the plastic. And then after 5 days, when the coffee is already not too wet, we move the coffee here.
I can definitely smell some fermentation here.
This is only 2 days. You can smell the fermentation.
Is this safe to eat?
No, not safe. This
Oh, this
is
is luwak.
our label. The C is coffee cherry. First process harvest 11, and then fermentation 12, and then drying 16. And
Okay.
this label must be ready until the end of the process for the batch label.
So
Yeah.
you will write this.
Yeah.
over there.
So
Okay.
we can tracking all the batch
Okay.
start from this.
Very interesting. So do you mention all these details on your package, on your
Yes,
coffee package?
yes.
Okay.
Because the specialty is about traceability,
Correct.
The buyer must be know
Yeah.
everything.
Everything.
It must be clear. Okay, so
Very impressed.
let's see our small warehouse, dry mill. Our dry mill. Yeah, this is our dry mill.
Okay.
When after the coffee is ready, drying like 11.5 of moisture, we move here and then we're resting here. We're resting here. This is our machine for dehydrated. This is made from ITB. We make dehydrated maggot, dehydrated refugia flower, because we plant refugia flower to trap the disease of the coffee. So this machine is become our production of dry fruit, dry vegetable, dry maggot. We process here. And then this is Cici. Cici is our administration.
Hello, Cici.
Ada logbook. We have a simple control that can operate with our team with low educational or low
And passion.
team. We have like a traditional logbook. Mana teh logbooknya teh? So Cici can control, start with this logbook, and then she will recap with Excel and send to us, so we can control maybe for example, if you order 100 container, you must know that 100 container of green bean atau 100 tons of green bean need 800 ton of coffee cherry. So every day you can control from the logbook how many cherry already collect in this day. So you know that your coffee status it's every day.
Okay.
Yeah, is that still in the cherry or in the fermentation stage or already in the drying stage or already in the resting stage? So you can decide in what month that you will send the coffee or the coffee is ready. This is
Okay.
for transparency
Transparency.
from our team to us and then to the buyer.
Okay.
This simple, like this. This is logbook. This is the date first the cherry is harvesting, and then how many kg after sorting. This is start after sorting, and then with the vessel, and then the kind of the fermentation. This is the date of fermentation. This is the schedule of fermentation check, and then this is will fill when that's already dry, and then this is the schedule when the copy parchment will finish here,
Okay.
and then we report every day in the WhatsApp group between me, you, and our team.
Okay.
This is honey. This is the label, honey, black honey.
And then after this, you will hull it.
Hull it.
Yeah,
We
and
hull
then
it
remove the
in
husk.
this place. Yeah, this is our jute bag, food grade jute bag for export standard.
So this is the real bean.
Is this also manufactured here?
Buat duduk.
Here?
Kan di sini banyak pelatihan tentara, Mas.
Oh iya.
Jadi kalau dia mau minta kopi, ngasih apa gitu.
So you
Nah, this is
have,
our color sorter. 1 ton each 1 hour.
it's a sorter
Sorter by color
by color.
for green bean.
Okay.
For green bean.
Color
So-
grading.
So it has that
Yes,
camera.
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 Camera
Yeah,
inside.
100 camera.
High speed camera.
With
That's
this
what
with
we were
this
talking about.
Yeah.
dengan apa kompresor.
This is made in China, I reckon.
China, yes.
China.
Yeah.
This is a wrong spelling. This is my Ranikaya.
Inshallah.
Insyaallah.
One day, yeah, you can go to China and white label.
This is our cooling area. We huller the coffee here. Yeah, we have 2. This is around 300 kg each hour.
Okay.
Yeah, because we don't need to fast speed because we would like to decrease the temperature of the beans inside. Yeah.
So I reckon this is a simple machine and manufactured in Indonesia.
And then next January,
Uh-huh.
I have a new machine from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah, with a new huller machine and new pulper machine with vertical pulper.
Okay.
So it's decrease the broken chip, decrease the defect from huller and pulper.
Okay.
Vietnam brand.
Yes.
Okay.
Better quality.
Yeah, better.
The
Next week,
The number one is quality for this machine is Colombia.
Colombia.
Colombia is number one.
Colombia. For the huge manufacturer is Brazil, yeah.
Yes.
For the small farmers like us is Colombia better.
Okay.
Penagos, yeah.
Penagos.
Okay.
That's correct.
We have we buy from Vietnam.
Yeah.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this we have this is for size grading manual. This is made Indonesia. Ini menyiasati teh, ya buka teh. Harusnya Suton, Mas.
Iya.
Ini menyiasati Suton kan? Ini misahin yang density sama yang patah-patah di sini, Mas.
That's a breeder for the defect.
For the defects.
Yes.
Yeah.
for the defect.
Okay.
Like a broken, yeah,
Broken.
like a full
Small.
black, yeah.
But it is done manually. Like someone is just checking.
No. This is with this machine.
Okay.
This is with the checking. This is 3 size, 1, 6, 7, 5.
Okay.
This is only 1,500 square meter, and then 340 trees, harvesting 2.8 ton.
Okay.
Okay, this is
And the rest of your production comes from farmers that you have made a community with.
Yes, my plantation have 4 hectare, but for this size only,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the pH control,
Hmm.
and then this is for the temperature control for the fermentation. This is our moisture meter, and then this is our luwak. Would you try
Yeah,
luwak?
sure. Let's try luwak.
Okay. Try.
Makan dulu.
Oh, the lunch is ready.
Oh, okay. Then we can.
We can lunch first,
Yeah,
okay?
sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. You guys.
This is